Welcome to Black Ops Part 2.
Wait.
Number 3.
I don't like this. Holy shit. Did you just explode?
Yep.
Get to the beach!
I didn't know there was...
Oh, you've been seen.
Sounds like half the village is on our ass!
Of course!
Nah.
Get it, Hudson! Just keep moving! They're closing in on us! We gotta buy some time!
Shut up.
Use the puncher's platform to snipe! Get up high! Provide cover fire!
I'll get full of animal trap here. Ah!
Oh, a grenade.
Motherfuckers! Ah! That gotta hurt.
What the fuck happened back there? Get it, Hudson! Just keep moving!
What's going
They're
on?
closing in on us! We gotta buy some time! Use the puncher's platform to snipe! Get up high! Provide cover fire!
Oh, what's up? I hear the sound.
We gotta get moving, Hudson! Throw smoke!
Smoke right
Smoke out! Grab woods!
Motherfuckers!
I got him! Let go!
Motherfuckers!
We gotta make another stand! Get woods and cover!
Motherfucker!
Bring some animal traps!
Animal traps, you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Is that because I think... Oh, it's many of them.
They're still coming!
Can you just walk in?
Keep firing!
Listen!
You go into... An animal trap is almost like a
We gotta
claymore.
make a run for the river!
Yeah, that just that it can't take out. Just have to take out a
Throwing smoke!
Yeah.
claymore will explode and maybe take out the thing. Oh!
Come on, Woods.
That was
We're
almost...
getting out! I got you, brother.
That guy won't stop shooting at you.
Keep moving!
Motherfuckers!
That's up. Oh, we
Empty truck
missed.
won't fall. I'll deal with it! Get woods and cover!
What did it say? Holy shit!
You're gonna die now, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
There's too
Motherfuckers.
many of them!
You don't say.
Do you know we take out the army now?
Incoming orders!
Because this is the army.
Said snipe, but I don't have a sniper. Motherfuckers. Who the fuck? Motherfuckers.
There's a boat on the beach, come on!
When did you go? You didn't even tell me. Motherfuckers.
Keep running, Mason!
Well, he said keep running. Oh, come on.
I have to run back now.
Wow.
Motherfuckers.
But he said keep running. And you run. Where did it begin?
Incoming orders!
Defend him. If it's stand defend, you don't need to defend him. Just survive. Get up!
Can't stay here. We have to move. Come on, Frank. Come on. We're getting out. No. Fucking Russians.
Is that an enemy?
No way out. What the shit?
Nope, I think it's a friendly.
There's a
You
Russian
thought I
helicopter.
would leave you.
What?
Oh, that
It's a
is...
Russian helicopter.
I think he stole it from somebody.
Nice work!
Well, we got him, Mason. Can't kill me.
How come it doesn't feel any pain?
Kill me.
Stop saying it.
old man. Put it all on the line for me. For honor, friendship. Yeah. It's just like you, kid.
No man left behind. Cheat.
Now it's a new stage, I think.
And this cutscene. Yes. Oh, just getting started. Hmm?
Oh.
Change line. Oh, she skipped the camp. I skipped the cutscene. That's not good, now, is it?
Yeah, we're sorry for that.
That's how it started. The old man tries to kill Menendez. Menendez wants payback, even if it takes decades. Menendez, back then, is a big fish in a small pond. He made his cake on the drug cartel out of Nicaragua. It was a hand-me-down. The CIA smoked his old man. Old Cyclops is pretty pissed at America. While we're fucking around the Middle East, the Russians and the Chinese are getting real cozy. Now, the politicians, they want you to think this is about ideology. It's a lot of horse shit. Give me your phone. Go ahead. Rare earth elements. Whole fucking world runs on this shit. Who controls all of it? China. So while corporate America is kissing China's ass,
Now the mysterious Cortes Diaz social network has crowdsourced simultaneous protests in both Iran and North Korea. Never seen in public, who really is the leader of Cortes Diaz? He's known only as Odysseus.
Odysseus, my ass. Raul fucking Menendez. Asshole. I told Jason, but they were too busy. See, the drone race has started. I mean, really, guys? You're gonna build an entire military base on a mineral element that's wholly controlled by China? And you're a direct dipshit. Now, give me a soda. Get it from the nurse's stash. None of that diet crap.
China's Premier Chen is outraged by Cortes Diaz's leaked memo, alleging the cyber attack was covertly ordered by the White House.
And through all the dirty shit the U.S. government's gotten away with, this time, they're innocent and no one fucking believes them. They take out Cortes Diaz's network 2 days later. The director of the FBI burned alive. Right now, 1 billion people believe that Raul Menendez is their savior. Guess what, boys? He's not. You better take him out pretty fucking quick. That shit's gonna happen.
And yeah, now I think it's a new mission, so we take a new video. Then watching. Nope, I'll see you guys next time.